Hello everyone, just a quick video to remind you that Hetty and Henry merchandise is now available direct from myhenry.com. I've already shown you the new Henry Huggables. We've got the large Henry Huggable with the handle as well as the smaller Henry Huggable. But now you can also buy exclusive hoodies direct from myhenry.com in Hetty Pink, Henry Red and also Henry Grey. And here they are. They're 50% polyester, 50% cotton, machine washable, easy wear, and it's what the best dressed people are wearing this season. Well, certainly the best dressed Henry and Hetty owners. So Pneumatic International, myhenry.com, kindly sent me one of each of these to try. I chose the medium. I do have a couple of these previously that I was sent, but they were in a large size. And until now, the hoodies weren't available in different sizes. I'll put a size chart up on the screen for you to check, but you can check the sizes on the website before you buy. There are no child sizes at the moment. You might get away if it's a larger child, a small might be suitable, but I also understand that they are working on child sizes of these. But at the moment, it's just for us big kids who like to dress up as our favourite vacuum cleaners. So this is the Hetty Pink. To be honest, I'm not sure I'll wear this outside the house, but I will be modelling all of these for you in the video. So, lovely Hetty Pink to go with my Hetty here. First time she's been out since I showed you her way back in, when was it, 2016. This is a twin speed full-sized Hetty. So, she's been taken out to the garage and she's quite happy, aren't you? Looks lovely on you. If you don't want pink, you can get grey. And as you can see, we've got the Henry logo and it's embroidered. It's not printed on, it's actually sewn on. So it's not going to rub off during washing. And of course, we've got the famous Henry smile. And these are little pouch here, goes right the way through to keep your hands warm on one of those walks, going out to the beach, walking with your dogs, and you want to put something on. It might be a bit too warm for a coat, but a bit chilly to go out in your t-shirt. This is ideal for that, and then you can show your love of Henry. Got a nice hood and a really nice lining as well on these. And of course you can adjust the hood by pulling on the string. So that's for you, New Vac. Come on, there you go. Lovely. I know he's not got Henry, but he is part of the Henry family. We can't leave him out just because he's called New Vac and he's in grey colour. This is probably the one that most people will like, the red Henry. And again, of course, everyone has the Henry face. You've got elasticated cuffs as well and an elasticated hem, so it should stretch to suit most people, as I said, right up to extra large. And yeah, nice soft feeling inside, really lovely. And of course, obviously easy care. I think they're all poly cotton, these, so they shouldn't need ironing, but I did iron these before the video on a cooler iron. But you shouldn't really have to iron these. Made in Honduras, but I'm sure they're made to a standard that you'd expect from a Henry. It actually says do not iron, so dear, do not iron them. I've ironed them, but I did iron it on a cool, it was a steam generator iron just to get the creases out for their first showing on the YouTube. But yes, don't iron them. Pop them in your washer, 30 degrees, and it'll freshen them up really nicely. So, as I said, go over to myhenry.com. There you go, Henry. 3 lovely matching hoodies. It's what we're all wearing when we're vacuuming our homes, especially when we're vacuuming with a Henry or Hetty. So don't forget, check out myhenry.com. Click on the merch section and you'll see these new hoodies and of course the Henry Huggables. Hopefully My Henry will offer some more merchandise in the future. I can see lots of potential. There's all the books. If you want the books, folks, go to Autism Southeast. I'll put a link below. They sell the Henry books, so you can get those if you like to read a Henry book at bedtime or have a Henry book read to you. They're all available. And I believe they've got jigsaw puzzles as well from Autism Southeast. So go over there to get some other Henry merchandise. But if you want your Huggables and your hoodies, it's myhenry.com. I'll finish this video by modelling each one of these hoodies, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.